number 2. Number 2 reads that a student drew a diagram to show the results of an investigation in which she dropped objects in water to determine their relative density. The diagram shows where the objects settled in the water. Which list shows the objects in order from the least dense to the most dense? So we're going to read it again. The student drew a diagram to show the results of an investigation in which she dropped objects in water to determine their relative density. The diagram shows where the objects settled in the water. Which list shows the objects in order from least to the most dense? So we're looking for the least dense to the most dense. Okay. Tell me 3 things I should put on my little drawing here. Sam?
You put dense equals down.
So we're going to put dense equals down. Krish, what else should I put?
You should put less dense by the top and say that it equals.
Okay, so I'm going to put less dense up here. And we know if it's less dense, that's a good practice to remember that that will float. And then we know down here, if that's the less dense, this is the most dense. And we can put sink. Excellent. So now we're ready. So we're looking for the least dense. So we're actually looking for the least dense to the most dense. I'm going to draw a little arrow so I can remember that. We're looking kind of opposite what we would typically think. Ravik, can you tell me what order we would have those from least dense to most dense? Okay, W, Y, X, and Z. Everyone agree?
Yes.
Okay, let's look. So W, well, here we have W, Y, we have Y, X, and Z. So we're going to put maybe and keep looking. This has Z first, so we can take B out. C has W first, so we're still good. And then we have X instead of Y, so we can take that C out. And on D, we have X first, so that's not it. So we can take that, and our answer is that A.